For the final time, an NFL game will be played at Oakland Alameda County Coliseum. And for the first time in more than a decade, the Jags hope to win a game on the West Coast.
Last one here for them. Let's make it a loss for them, you know?
Back in the time, Raider Wilson, you already know.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Another Sunday fun day.
I just got one thing to say, man. They should have got me. They messed up.
Soundbite.
1, 2, 3, get it on! Forward! It's hard today! Yeah!
You know where I'm going if I score in this end zone? Right over to this corner.
Why?
This guy standing in the corner. They've been talking the whole time.
The autumn wind's going to blow this team to Vegas next year, but before it does, the atmosphere here today is going to be incredible.
Well, it's an incredible atmosphere, and you hope that it energizes this football team a little bit. They need to come out with passion and energy to match the Oakland Raiders today.
I'm here, bro. I'm here. Nah. I'm ready here. I'm ready here, bro. I'm ready here.
Second down and 9 after the short gain from the 40-yard line of Jacksonville. Just underway here, first drive of the game. Under center's Carr drops to throw. Throws to the middle of the field. That ball is going to be caught. He broke a tackle inside the 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Tyrell Williams.
And we got to react to it a little faster. Once the motion comes, we got to make sure we different levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, so we can go get it and cut the route real quick with it, right?
One play at a time. Hey, one play at a time. One play at a time. We go.
One play at a time. Let's go. Let's get this thing started right.
This place is loud. 3rd and 4. Got to stay on the field here. Shotgun for Minshew. Long snap count here. It's a blitz. He drops to throw. Pump fake. Fires along the left sideline. Got Keelan Cole out there. Keelan's got it. 35-30. Inside the 25-yard line. A long bomb along the left sideline to Keelan Cole inside the 15-yard line of the Oakland Raiders. Josh Lambo on for a 28-yard attempt from the right hash. He's 26 out of 27 on the year. Cook puts it down. Lambo kicks it up. And the field goal is good, and Jacksonville is on the board.
They ran 4-man slide, right? Richie came down on you. Good job of working yourself back outside. And then if we get that one-on-one backside with 74, let's go whoop the out of him right there. Set high on that thing. Set it up now.
This will be a 3rd and very, very long. Shotgun dropping against a 4-man rush. His Carr. Gonna get hit, gonna get sacked. Saxonville got him that time. Josh Allen was back there. Calais was back there.
If you can get pressure on Derek Carr, he makes the Cardinals sit, in my opinion, way too often for a quarterback, and that's backing up instead of stepping up.
That's the way to rush. Good job.
Bro, we run a time game wide open.
Okay.
Scot-free.
Let's go get some more, bro.
Yeah, what's that? Hey, at the end of the day, like I told you, we both get 3.
Come on, man.
We both get 3.
I don't know.
All 3 of them.
3rd and 18 for Carr. Hit from Ngakwe's right side, and down he goes. Another sack for Jacksonville.
He's just going to beat the left tackle around the edge. This is a good rush by Ngakwe.
They can't even block y'all with 4, man. They can't even block y'all with 4. No, I'm good. Hey, not 3. They can't even block y'all with 4. They can't. Let's go.
Carlson, 27-yarder from the left hash. Cole puts it down. Carlson kicks it up. And the 27-yard field goal is good to end the half. 3 field goals for Daniel Carlson. And the Raiders lead 16-3. Third and 11 Jags from the 32. 16-3 game. Shotgun for Minshew. Trips left, he drops to throw. Fires middle of the field, caught. That'll be a first down. Nice job by Minshew. Chris Conley on the catch. Got it to the 14-yard line of the Oakland Raiders. 43-yard field goal attempt by Josh Lambo. And the most accurate kicker in the NFL makes another one. He's now 28 out of 29. And the Jaguars have whittled it to a 10-point deficit.
Hey, you take that double, we're going to make it count. We're going to make it count.
Going to throw against a 4-man rush is Derek Carr. He's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. Yannick Ngakoue finished him off. Allen got there first, and they're going to sack him back inside the 40-yard line.
Hey, I told him I was going to come.
Hey, Young!
4th and a yard.
You got to get this. If you don't, obviously you set up great field position for the Raiders. 7:56 left. This is critical.
Minshew under center. Gives to Fournette. Tries the left side. He is hit. Kept the legs churning, though. Might have gotten it. He was hit in the backfield, but let's see. I think he might have gotten it. What do you think, guys?
I had to get to the 42, and I think he did. I think that ball's right on the 42-yard line where they marked it. I think it's a first down, guys.
It's the first down by the length of the football, and new set of downs for Jacksonville. With
First down, baby, let's go.
Robinson the block, Minshew looking, blocked by Norwell, chased by P.J. Hall, and this is what Minshew can do. The other dimension, he's inside the 15 to the Raider 14.
Come on, baby, J7, we're going to win it. J7, we're going to win it.
Shotgun, 2nd and a yard. Dropping his Minshew. Fires toward the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. Minshew to Chris Conley for the score. So here we go. This is now going to be a 45-yard field goal attempt from Daniel Carlson. The kick is up, and the field goal attempt is no good. He missed it again. And now the Jaguars have a great opportunity, trailing only 16-13.
Let's go. Let's go over the bang. Let's go over the bang. Let's go over the bang.
54 seconds to play. Shotgun from Minshew. Fires wide open. Chris Conley inside the 30, 25, 20. They blew a coverage. Inside the 20-yard line goes Chris Conley.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
3rd and goal.
Comes the all-out blitz again.
Minshew, and caught for the touchdown, Conley. Worked on Joyner, and Jacksonville has their first lead today.
And Minshew Mania is running wild here in Oakland. The last game at the history of Oakland Alameda Coliseum, and Minshew just quieted this crowd in a flash.
Let's go, boys. Yes, sir. What up? What up? Finish, let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Final play of the game. Final play in this stadium. Carr fires it toward the end zone. This is way up there. It's going to be a jump ball in the end zone. It is batted away, incomplete, and the Jags win it.
Yes, sir. We need that one, baby. We need that one, baby. Let's go. Woo! Huh? Let's go. I'm telling you, boy, hey, with the dudes in this locker room, ain't no game over, ain't no season over until we say let's go. Nobody I'd rather do it with.
Break it down, break it down, one day.
Hey, that's a total team effort. Total team effort. Hats off to y'all, all right? Hey, Jags on 3, Jags on me. 1, 2, 3.